Alright tubers, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update, follow up on the What's in the Box Wednesday. Gonna do a quick scan of, I got all the kits sorted that I have not been in yet, or I haven't done unboxings for yet. Everything that has a yellow tag on it, those are all kits that I can do unboxings for. My first request is for this Ford GT. I have a request for that, so that'll be coming up this coming Wednesday. And the Monday Night Mayhem, we'll work on the CUDA. And then after that, we're going to work on the crew chief. We're going to do some tubbing. So, you see anything you see there? Words with the yellow tags on them, let me know. Shoot me a request in the comments, and we'll do that one next after that GT. So there you go. Just a quick update of what's on the shelf, what's to come. And we'll see you next Wednesday for this What's in the Box. And then before that, of course, we'll see you Monday. We'll work on the CUDA and then maybe the crew chief. All right? That's all. Model on.